Can you see WhatsApp's view once photo again? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to see if it is possible for you to see the WhatsApp's one-time photo back again. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. So the very first thing you want to do is open up your WhatsApp and then tap on the view once photo that you've got. So as you guys know, view once photos from WhatsApp are special photos that will be sent to you, which you can only view once, and after you've closed this, you will not be able to view the picture. As you can see, this is a view once message, so it's more private. It will disappear from the chat after you close it. Also, you can't share, forward, copy, save, or take a screenshot of it. So even if I try to take a screenshot of it to view later, as you can see, this will not allow me to take any screenshots. So once you close it out, it's gone forever. You won't be able to recover it again. So if I just open this another one, there is no option to download it. So there is only option to delete and report. And as you can see, this is also a view once picture. So there is no active way to uh, see again the view once photos, but you can try to screen record it from various third-party apps, but I do not recommend you to do so because those apps may be malicious to your device and may contain harmful files. So don't do that. And also, you could also try to take a picture of it with a different phone. That's the only thing you could do to view it later if you really want to save it. That's the only option as of now. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.